Handy Hudsonite here. Just wanted to give you a quick tip on when you get your car back from the shop, make sure that you check over the engine bay. A lot of times mechanics will leave tools. Sometimes I've found them on the battery, I've found them here on the engine cover. They may even be sitting right inside where the hood latches. The other thing is things may not get completely done at the shop. For example, one time I found one of my engine mounts, the main bolt was completely undone on it, so I had to tighten that down. It was the last thing they had to do in replacing the engine mounts, and it ended up not getting tightened, so I tightened it. Another thing was I just found the other day is this bolt here on this is just a plastic engine cover on my Honda Odyssey. What I think happened is they used air tools and they just tightened it down too tight, and it broke the plastic. That's as tight as I can get it. That's actually tight. It's just the plastic underneath that's broken where it's attached or was attached. So I'm not very happy about that. That was a local establishment that did my timing belt, and they were probably in a hurry to get the car done, used their air tools to put everything back together, and over torqued, unfortunately, one of these engine cover bolts. So you want to make sure to really look over the inside of your engine right after you get it done from the shop. Even better, while you're still at the shop in the parking lot, or even look it over with the mechanic, just so that in case you catch something, they're right there, they can make it right. They can have their tool back if they leave their tool in your car, so you don't have to run it back over to them or decide what to do. So just a simple step that you can take. It may not seem extremely convenient, knowing that you should trust the mechanic, but they are people, they will make mistakes. And so just a quick tip on making sure to keep your car running well and avoiding major problems if they were to leave a tool and that tool were to fall into a moving part of your engine and cause even more damage, or they didn't reattach something correctly. So thanks for watching. Give the video a like, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and until next time, learn to be handy so that you can get the job done.